Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to Ledger and Lace. Today I was inspired by Nick the Booksmith's last video where she was talking about having a mixture of papers in her commonplace journal and what to do when you have dark pages or you want to write on things and they're dark. So I thought I would give easiest to more involved. My easiest and most favorite way is I have this beautiful picture of buttons. So all I do is I use tracing paper and I put it over, and then it makes it light enough where you can write. And tracing paper is great because it takes all kinds of pens, fountain pens, etc. If you want it even lighter, then you can just use two, and you can bind in the tracing paper. You can also tea stain it if you want to make it crinkly. This works with, here's a piece of Tim Holtz paper. Here's some music. It'll work with that. Again, you can do two if you want. Here's a dictionary page. So it has all sorts of applications, which I really like. So the second way is that if you are just doing like a quote with a dark background, then you can use paint pens. So I have a drawer full of different kinds of paint pens, and those work. Okay, so on to the next one, which is a little bit more involved. So that, by the way, used to be the kind of journal I did before I discovered traveler's notebooks. Okay, so we have this beautiful picture, and maybe you want the recipe for chestnut and onion soup, but then you turn the page and you see people peeling garlic. So here's what you do. It's a mixed media thing where you take your white gesso. There's also black gesso or clear gesso, and I already did a layer on here, so it just has lightened up the writing, but you can also just do the picture, and then it makes it light, so like mixed media people, and you just keep making it lighter and lighter until that's what you want. And then you can write a quote on here. I hate garlic, or I love garlic. So thumbs up if you, well, thumbs up if you hate garlic, and thumbs down if you love garlic. That doesn't make sense. Oh, the garlic lovers. I used to be one. So there we go. And then with the gesso, you can use a Sharpie marker, or Sharpie works really well, or paint pens, that works well as well. And there you go. No more garlic peelers in the journal. So I'll have to include this in my next one. All right, that's it for now. Bye.